and we add screws, and we follow the instructions. It's kind of a little wobbly, but it's okay.
Hi, I'm Claire, and I'm part of Troop 314, and we built this awesome picnic table. We painted it and waxed it, and it turned out really cool. We all made a piece, and then we all got together and we built it, and it looks really good.
So you watched them make the song?
Okay, well, I'm here with Jim and Paula Pesha. They are the wonderful instrumental individuals that have started our community garden that started with just a few flower beds and vegetable gardens. And now we are up to 20?
20 ground beds and 6 special need beds.
Oh my goodness. And I hate to say it, but we've only got 2 beds left. So if you're wanting to get these vegetables in for fall, you need to get in here now and get them going because there's only 2 left. They just had the navigators here who just built a beautiful table for them. And I mean, as you guys can see, the season's up and coming, and the beds are here. They're ready. They provide the bed, the soil, the dirt, the water, the sunshine. So all we need is you. So if you want the last 2 beds, you need to hurry fast. You know, the goal is to see beds all the way across. We're working with the city to get, more community support, more groups. If you have a group or organization that, you would like to see them involved in the community garden, you can contact Jim and Paula, or you can contact us commissioners, and then, we will put you in contact with the right individuals. But, this is a great way to educate the children on where the fruits and the vegetables, and it's not just the grocery store. We don't go to the grocery store to get fruits and vegetables. This is where it starts. So thank you, and thank you guys. You put so much time and effort. I just can't thank you guys enough for all that you do.